PyTorch implementations of important deep learning papers can feel like a cookbook for machine learning, where every recipe shows the finished dish, the cooking steps, and the margin notes that explain why each ingredient matters. This repository gives you more than 60 of those recipes, and each one is small enough to run, read, and understand. That matters because a lot of papers are mathematically correct, but they are hard to turn into working code. Here, the code and the explanation sit side by side, so you can map a paper idea directly to a real PyTorch pattern without getting buried in production complexity. That makes it useful for learners, educators, and working developers alike. You can study modern architectures, optimizers, training tricks, and scaling methods in a form that actually runs. The biggest win is not just that the code exists. It is that the implementations are intentionally small and documented, so you can grasp the core mechanism first, before you add the messy details real systems eventually need. One warning, though, do not try to